to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, aka my Alaskan Queen. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, this is my fourth video I'm shooting today. Actually my fifth, because I did create this look and I will be posting it after these unboxings. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. In today's video, this is an unboxing for Glossybox. This is a $20 subscription, and it looks like the theme this month is actually travel. Eat, sleep, travel, repeat, which is kind of ironic because I just got back from Washington. If you'd like, I posted a little video of my experience down there helping around the yard and a little bit with that. We traveled up from Idaho Falls in a camper. I didn't record too much. We were mainly traveling at night. It was pretty dark. We did have some rainy weather, and we were practically non-stop. I think we slept for 4 or 5 hours in Boise on our way back from Idaho Falls, because we flew to Boise, went to Idaho Falls, drove back, and then up to Burlington, Washington. But it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed my trip. We did do a lot of work, but I enjoyed my time. It was really good to get out, and I'm glad to be home. So this month's Glossybox, it says Jet Setter. And this is just a list of description of all the products in here. Ooh, and this is how it comes. I think my mom's gonna be happy because she's gonna get a lot of samples this month. It's got this nice paper. Looks like a map. So let's go ahead and start with this. This says Arizona Proenza Scholler Arizona Oud perfume. The full size goes for $100 for 1.7 fluid ounces. From the storied fashion house comes a truly transportive scent. Just a few spritz of this innovative blend of white cactus flower and creamy orris brings to mind expansive landscapes, adobe sunsets, and soft mountaintops. Off and away. The debut scent from Proenza Scholler, Arizona's bottle was inspired by the ravines and ridges that define the horizon of the Sonoran Desert. Sonoran. S-O-N-O-R-A-N, Sonoran. So this is cool. It's a little bit bigger than the usual. So I'd say this is the deluxe size. Proenza Scholler. It's a little bit more fragrant than the last two. Strong. A little bit more stronger. But it's nice and clean. That must be the cactus flower that I smell. It's very clean and refreshing. I actually like this a lot. So I know she'll like it. As long as it's not too overpowering. No one wants to smell like a French you know what, but I was gonna say maybe me, but no. I actually don't like wearing perfume. I wear cologne, but I do like that. I like that a lot. The next thing is by John Masters Organics. Evening Primrose Shampoo for dry hair, and it comes with a John Masters Organics Lavender and Avocado Intensive Conditioner. So Primrose Shampoo. Okay. As I make a mess everywhere. And the lavender and avocado conditioner. I like those a lot. I gave my mom my last one, so I think I'm going to hang on to these. And she is actually in Hawaii now. I wish her the best of love, to her and my brother and his wife and their 3 kids. I'm sure they're having a blast. The next thing I see is this Deep Cleansing Oil by DHC. Deep Cleansing Oil. This Japanese beauty cult favorite facial cleanser, which stars olive oil, promises to melt away makeup, including waterproof mascara and impurities alike, while delivering protective antioxidants straight to where you need them most. Olive oil has been used for millennia ago as a secret beauty ingredient. Not only is it a natural hypoallergenic way to hydrate, it also provides skin with a reparative antioxidants that aid in skin healing and cell stimulation. Awesome. I can't actually smell anymore because I have perfume and stuff all over my swatch hand. So the next thing I see is by Tartiest. This is a brow gel. Tarte Cosmetics says, tame and maintain your brows. An underlying product. With Tarte's Genius Gel, a paraben-free, water-infused formula means no dry, no flaking, and a natural clean finish with just a few strokes. Tip: this little brush tames flyaways too. Simply sweep across your hairline to keep edges in place all day. I think this is actually my third brow gel that I have. I have one by Benefit, which is the 24-hour brow setter, and then I have one by Ulta Beauty. And to me, the only thing is they have the little spoolie, otherwise it's just hair gel. So I don't know if this will be different because it sounds like that it doesn't dry, so I'm wondering if it gets crunchy. Oh, super little tiny spoolie. One of the things that I don't like about brow gel is that the tip picks up a little bit of the color, and then I usually like wipe it off. See, look at that. That's just from the one brow. It pulled off that much color. But anyways, I usually do that before I put them back into their thing, just so that the color's not like contaminating the rest of the jar. I actually wanted to see if that's going to dry, so we'll wait a little bit. And then the last thing I have in this Glossybox subscription is Laritzi Cosmetics Shade Stick. And this is the Shade Stick in Aloha. The full size goes for $24, 0.3 ounces, which is this. This is the full size. This is actually $23. It looks like a cream contour. Laritzi. It says, glow on Glossies. This buildable cream formula gives off the perfect sun-kissed glow regardless of how bright it is. Simply swipe where you want some radiance, blend with fingers, and you'll be silky smooth bronze goddess in no time. So I do have a full face on, but for the sake of this, let's just go ahead and see. Okay. Wow. Let's just add a little bit here. It's a little muddy. I'm not good with cream contour, and it actually just pulled off my foundation. I did have setting spray and stuff on. I'm not too happy with that. So maybe that'll be something that I could use for a cream contour before I powder and all of that, but I would not recommend using it on top of your foundation and everything with it all set. So anyways, that'd be good to know. Here's a swatch. nice tan, sun-kissed color to it. Looking forward to trying that out. Alright, so that's it for my Glossybox. This was my last box. I am expecting one more. I'm so excited. Ricky's Cult Crushes. I got it. I learned about Ricky's Cult Crushes from Giggles Giggles. I was so excited. I've been on the wait list for like 2 months, which would have been back in February, March, April, now May. So hopefully that will be coming in the mail before the end of the month. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. I enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments. And if you'd like to see how I created this look once again, please stay tuned. I will be posting it after I post these monthly subscription unboxings. So once again, love and light. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.